Alright people, this is a quick video outside. This one's just a little bit more slower because last time I was kind of rushing. That's my agave. Pinch of a Dracaena marginata, which is I think a Chinese dragon. Xanadu, philodendron. And you see this thing is coming back. I had to cut it back. This is a naturally growing calathea. This is a song of India, and then I tucked. You see back here is a pinch of a song of India. Not too much left, but I just threw it out of here. And this is a fern. It's a naturally growing off of a tree. My euphorbia. I got some things growing in the middle of it. A huge Monstera deliciosa. Hold on here. And everyone asked me about this white bird of paradise because I did a video when it was originally on the decline. You see it has a whole new leaf unfurling coming up. Oh, another euphorbia and another agave. Then of course, it's a nice huge front yard. Okay. So yes, people, the White Bird of Paradise is on the recovery, doing a lot better